Hi, my name is Andrew Lopez. Welcome to my chemistry project. Today you'll be learning how to make crystals using borax and simple ingredients that can be found at home. The materials needed for this project are very simple and can be found at the Dollar Tree.
Materials needed is a measuring cup, wide mouth jar, borax, wood sticks, food coloring, and pipe cleaners.
Some words you would like to know before we start the experiment is crystal, which is a natural solid that is made up of repeated molecules. And another word is molecule, which is the smallest physical unit made up of one or more atoms.
First step is to boil 1 liter of water. This is a cup measuring cup, so 1 liter equals to about 4 cups of water. The water must be boiling for the experiment to work. Recommend on the highest setting.
Once the water is boiling, you want to get 1 liter of water into this wide mouth jar. Then you would need 1 cup of borax. Borax is also known as sodium boronite, which is also a mineral. Begin to observe the water and its changes. The warm water is used because the water is able to hold more borax when it is warm, because the water molecules begin to get separated, leading the water to hold more borax because it's hot. You will get your 2 pipe cleaners like we have here. You will turn one into any shape as you please, a star, any shape you want. Here we have spirals. You will insert this into here and get your wood stick, and with your wood stick you're going to wrap it just like we have here. It is wrapped so it is hanging like an ornament. Once this is done, this step is now complete.
Our next step is to add any color as you please, a food coloring. You will need about 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once this is done, you would like to stir. You would like to insert this into here. Make sure your shape is completely in the supersaturated solution. It has now been an hour and not much has happened. After about 12 hours, this should be the finished product. As you can see, it is very solid and shiny. Crystallization is the solidification of molecules to form a highly structured crystal. Here we have a supersaturated solution, which contains more of the dissolvent material that can be dissolved in a solvent. If we broke the crystals, this would not be considered a chemical change, but a physical change.
Here in this project, the water was a solute and the borax was a solvent.
Here we have the chemical formula for borax, and here is the molecule formula for borax. This is also an alkaline solution. The reason crystals can form is because when a supersaturated liquid that contains dissolved mineral cools, supersaturation solution is made. Using the hot water and the borax, the hot water caused the water molecules to move farther away from each other, so that more of the borax could dissolve in the solution. Once the solution reaches a point where it cannot dissolve any more borax, it becomes supersaturated. As the solution cools, the water molecules come closer together to form borax crystals, which you can see here.